Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ariana. So we are gonna unbox this Mosaic art sets. So it's just kind of like a craft. It's just like these kind of things. I have a unicorn one, a fairy one, a mushroom with a fairy, a star one, and a castle one. I would choose the unicorn. It's very nice. I'll do these ones later. These are the little soft skins you come with. They're nice.
So what do you do with them?
So you like get a piece, like you just get a piece and then put one on here. So I'm gonna do this very fast and quickly and I'll show you. Super quickly, and my brother helped me with the hair and the castle because it was taking a little bit long for the hair and the heart. So we were doing all the four lots when we ended the video.
You mean Mosaic arts?
Mosaic arts, and we did a challenge with our brother. So I did these two, and my brother did these two. And who do you know who won? Me, Ariana won. This is a fairy on a mushroom.
You did that one.
Yeah, and there's a unicorn with a rainbow.
You did that one.
With a castle. And this is the one with this some stars.
You also did that one.
And this is the flower with some butterflies.
I did that one.
And this is the castle.
Yeah, I did that one.
And the stars and the things. So I did three. I was the quickest at Mosaic arts. So I hope you liked this video. I will see you in the next video. Bye, and don't forget to like and subscribe.